Hi, Judd here. Just putting some more time on the garden. A little humid out, but not too hot. But I got pretty much all the weeds cleared out of this end. And next step is to go under the porch. I was looking under there today and I saw something move, and I saw a big 4-foot snake come out of there. I don't know what kind of snake it was. It was in the shadows. Probably just a black snake or a garden snake or something. But anyways, there we go. The ground's pretty much cleared up, and of course, you know, the little stuff just starts right back in. Persistent stuff, grass and weeds. But finally got this all cleaned up. Next thing, I guess I got to rack that dragon fruit plant from Epcot. That or get under. I'll tell you, the easiest thing I find to get myself to do these days is the weeding, the digging in the dirt. Second childhood? You go figure. Happy day to you.